Hi, I am Kayode Okikulu. Here's your Channels TV news update for August the 7th, 2020. 45,244. But that's the total number of confirmed coronavirus cases after the announcement of 354 new infections by the NCDC. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control says 32,430 patients have been discharged, while 930 people have died from the disease. Here's a breakdown of the cases. To politics, the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC says it will suspend the Edo and Ondo governorship election process if the actions of political actors lead to a breakdown of law and order. INEC says it observes with deep concern the escalating levels of violent actions and incendiary statements by political parties, candidates and other supporters in the run-up to the elections. It warns that it will not shirk in its responsibility to enforce the rules of the game. Meanwhile, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2019 elections, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, has also been reacting to the ongoing crisis in the Edo State House of Assembly. In a series of social media messages, Atiku says Nigeria has been on the edge due to the brinkmanship of those charged with democratic leadership, and as a nation, actors must not escalate the already tense atmosphere in the polity. On the foreign scene, protesters on Thursday clashed with Lebanese security forces during anti-government demonstrations in Beirut. The demonstrators were angered by Tuesday's devastating blast, which killed 137 people and injured about 5,000 others. As officials say, it was caused by 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, which was stored unsafely since 2013. And in sports, Wolves fought into the quarter-finals of the Europa League after edging Olympiacos 1-0 in the round of 16. Raul Jimenez scored the only goal from the penalty spot in the 9th minute when the English club visited the Greek side, where they sealed a 2-1 aggregate win in a tie that began in Athens on March the 13th. Well, that's the news update. Don't forget to join us later for the recap. I am Kayode Okikulu. Thank you for watching.